purpose of this experiment is that we wanted to stop the growth of the diseases that's spreading around. So we wanted to see what would kill the most bacteria in the hands because, it's spreading very fast.
The questions that we were thinking of were what substance would be better for washing our hands to kill a lot of bacteria? Does washing your hands with regular soap or antibacterial soap work better than washing it with regular soap? And does the expensive antibacterial soap and the cheap antibacterial soap work like the same? Does it kill more?
Our hypothesis was, we predict that washing hands with regular soap will be the same as using with antibacterial soap. And we predict that it does not matter if the soap is cheap or expensive. It will all work the same. And we also predict that cleaning hands with sanitizer will be the same as cleaning hands with sanitizer. The procedures that we did in this project is that first we boiled the water with the AHOS solution for about 2 minutes, and then we collected the bacteria by swiping cotton swabs on everyday surfaces, and then we put it in the petri dishes, and then we waited about 24 hours, and then the first container had nothing in it. We didn't add anything. We just left the bacteria. And then the second one, we added water. And then the third one just had regular liquid soap. And the fourth one had cheap antibacterial soap. And the fifth one had expensive antibacterial soap. And the sixth one just had sanitizer. If you didn't understand, we have an easier way. As you see in the first one, it's very clouds up and there's a bunch of little clouds. That little clouds are bacteria, as you see, right? As you can see. And so the second one, it's still very cloudy. You see, it's just water.
And this is from the...
This inside that is LB medium, you see, so it can reveal the bacteria. And the third one contains regular soap, which is non-antibacterial. It's still in between. And the fourth one, it has cheap antibacterial soap. The fifth one is it's very kind of clear, but you still can see the bacteria in it. And then the final one is the clearest one because it's the clearest one and it has really any bacteria. As you can see, it's very clear. It's kind of clear. You can't see any bacteria in it. There's no bacteria going around.
The fifth one is antibacterial, and the sixth one is sanitizer.
The sanitizer. There is nothing in this one.
The sixth one, as you can see, was the clearest one because it's the one that killed the most bacteria. As you can see, in number one, it's always very cloudy. We didn't put anything in it. We just put the cotton swab. After one day, we took it out, we sealed it, and then we left it for the bacteria to grow. And we found out that sanitizer can kill more bacteria. And we can compare it by sanitizer.
Number 6 is cloudy, right?
Kind of cloudy, but do you notice the color is much clearer than the others? And you can barely see any bacteria. And you still can see bacteria. Let me show you. In number one, what do you see? You see a lot of clouds, right? But in number 6, you barely can see any clouds. See? You can tell by the difference. See?
Oh, floating around.
Yeah, it's something floating around here.
Did you notice the difference?
burn 6 petri dishes, 6 tablespoons of jar nutrients, LB media, hand sanitizer, regular liquid soap, 2 different types of antibacterial soap, cotton swab, container of boiled water, gloves, Ziploc bag, tape, and microscope.
And if you're wondering what is the agar solution, the agar solution is we boiled it for a few minutes, we let it cool for a few minutes, we put it in the petri dishes. After it became solid, we took the cotton swab, and then on everyday surfaces we wiped them, and then we just wiped them on the agar solution. And we sealed them and we left them overnight. And for the agar solution, it makes the bacteria grow so you can see it better. And the result was, in number 1, for the spray, the bacteria are still very large. Number 1 is Jen. You didn't add anything to the bacteria. Water. This has water. This one, not the soap. And sanitizer. No, this is not. Oh, this is not thing. This is regular bacteria. This is water. This is water. Yeah, that's how you make it. This is soap. And number 4 number 5 is disinfectant. Found that washing is not antibacterial, so let us wash it with
Say again because we can't hear you what you say.
Found that washing hands with antibacterial soap is better than washing your hands with regular liquid. And we also found out that it doesn't matter if the soap is cheap or expensive, they will all work the same.
We also found out that cleaning your hands with sanitizer is the best way to clean your hands for bacteria.
And also, if you were touching bacteria or you're playing outside, you should usually wash your hands and then go and sanitize your hands. That's the best way to keep clean.
Like this
What
one.
are your process?
We found out on a website and we ordered these pastry dishes online and we bought everything up.
You don't list it on your Do you remember what website?
Yes. The website is allscienceproject.com and 100sciencefestproject.com and eastbangerscience.com. Okay. So there is a question.
No, I don't. Thank you.
Put it around.
And anyone from the class has any questions? Anyone?
Which is the brand that works the most?
Sanitizer.
That's a good brand?
Yes.
Okay, I use that. I have a question. You mentioned here the microscope.
Yes.
Did you use a microscope?
Yeah, you use the microscope because you can't see bacteria from one's eye. You need to take a microscope and look under this.
So you have a microscope at home.
We use a lab upstairs.
You have one more question?
Okay, you know that yellow object you have in containers? Yes. Is that supposed to be the germs or is that the gel? And then you need a microscope. As you can see, these spots all over, that's the bacteria. But the gel itself around it is the agar solution. Any more questions?